So this is the technical demo of Trust Vault. We are leveraging the P2P system where any user can become a liquidity pool provider, and then other users can make use of this pool to buy or sell their token. Now, what the liquidity pool provider needs to do is just to set up an account with Flutterwave and then deposit the fiat into Flutterwave. He gets an API key that he will use to link the Flutterwave with the escrow. Now, another user that wants to sell his token can then come and make reservation with the amount of token that he's selling. The tokens are temporarily held in the escrow, and then the payment detail is sent to Flutterwave to process this payment. If the payment is successful, our bot picks up this transaction and then calls the program to release the token to the liquidity pool provider. This way, the liquidity pool provider ends up with the token and the user ends up with the fiat. There is also the sell order where the liquidity pool provider is selling his own tokens. Now, this works in a similar fashion, but here tokens are being deposited into the escrow, and then another user can then come and make a reservation. This reservation is sent to Flutterwave to generate a payment link that is displayed to the user to make the fiat payment. Once the fiat payment is successful, our bot again picks up this transaction and then calls the program to release the token to the user. There is also the payment request where user B can request for either token or fiat payment. I'll be showing the fiat payment. During the fiat payment request, he inputs his payment details and then sends it to our program. Our program informs user A. He'll be using user A's wallet address. Our program informs user A, and if user A approves this payment request, tokens are then deposited from user A's wallet into the escrow, and then the payment details is sent to Flutterwave to process this payment. Once the payment is successful, our bot picks up this transaction and then calls the program to release the token to the liquidity pool provider. In the next section, I'll be showing the live demo. So this is the live demo. The liquidity pool provider saves his API key that he will use to link the escrow with. Now, after saving it, he can then go and create a buy order, inputting the token, the price, and then the currency that he's willing to accept, and then links it with the Flutterwave. Now, once that is done, another user can then come and make reservation. Now, that user, when making reservation, he selects the currency that he wants to pay in, and then the amount that he's willing to pay, and then the payment details, which is what will be sent to Flutterwave to make the payment. And then he clicks and approves the transaction. Once he approves this transaction, the token are then sent to the escrow and the payment is processed. Once the payment is successful, a receipt is generated. Thank you.